Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm hitting y'all with a late review, but we're going to get back into discussing the resale prices, but mainly giving you guys an in-hand unboxing for the Jordan 4 RM Driveway Gray. As you guys can see, we got a pair right here. Very, very clean. Love of these look in hand. They're much better. Much better. In hand, I'll say that. I mean, I've liked these since, the photos we had earlier, since Nigel was previewing them on his Instagram. Yeah, I've liked these for a while. We finally got some. You can see there's some grandmas back there. Got a few more that landed right there, as you guys can see, of the grays. So we're cooking up these holds, you know what I mean? Waiting for White Thunder GS, though. That's going to be the next big one. So if you guys want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and like down below. Let's try and hit 200 likes in this video. Just lets me know, hey T, bring us more in-hand unboxings, resale predictions, stuff like that. We want it on the channel. So yeah, that's really what it lets me know. And don't forget to check us out down below, Resale Vision. We're doing undermarket pairs of these all throughout this week, and you can actually see some of the ones we have scheduled for this week. Some crazy pairs right there. We're doing all under resale market price on my Monitor 3s, some SB Dunk Lows, a lot more stuff. You can even see some of the ones we did last night, day before. People are winning stuff every single day. We stay consistent in there, and people are always getting their stuff too. You can see some folks getting their things in. So yeah, that's one main thing I can say. And don't forget, again, join down below if you want to secure your pair. We're even giving away a pair of bike airs for free. So either colorway you choose, you can win one for free down below there if you become a member this week. So make sure you join there, get your chance to win, again, a pair of these for free or under market price. That's what we do. So I hope to see you guys there. Don't miss out on your chance to, again, get a free pair. And let's get started on reviewing these in hand. So first things first, I really want to compare these two actually really quick. So as you guys can see, just the difference, it's the exact same suede material, but really just the difference in colorway and how that's hitting the green versus kind of that gray. The gray almost looks like a black suede, but it's a really dark gray. But if someone was like, oh, you got a black pair of shoes on, I'd be like, yeah, it pretty much looks like that. Like, especially when you get back here to like the heel portion, like, that's I don't know if that's gray, you know what I mean? But hey, we're not getting technical here. Aside from that, that's just what both these kind of look like side by side. I'm sure we'll see some folks trying to mismatch them, you know what I mean? I wouldn't do that, I don't think that'll work, but overall, very nicely done sneaker. We'll get back into discussing these a little bit later in the video. Make sure you guys can check us out down below. Get your chance to win a free pair. But getting into the gray pair right here, as you guys can see, that really nice suede material and the red swoosh. Love how that's hitting. The red swoosh and the red insoles right here. Y'all can see that just says Nigel Sylvester. Exact same on the Grandma's Driveway pair, where it just says, again, Nigel Sylvester on the insole. This one just says Air Jordan, but on the other one it says Nigel Sylvester. I just, happen to grab, as you guys can see, this is the other shoe, so, that it's going to have a different design on it, right? So, the other one says Nigel Sylvester, though. It just basically has that same design, where it's just black on kind of like silver lettering on the Grandma's pair. But on this one, you can see we got red insole with black lettering. So that's exactly what we got going on. You guys can see, again, it says Nigel Sylvester. You might be able to see that a little bit aside from that right there, though. Again, suede is so clean on these. Definitely keeping it personal. And my prices on size 9 has dropped a lot. Really good buying opportunity there, by the way. Getting these at like $200 is crazy. But aside from that point right there, yeah, these are super clean, very wearable. Honestly, you might have more, like, there might be more outfits with this sneaker right here. You know what I mean? It seems more wearable. That's generally what I think. I like the Grandma's Driveway one more. It's actually the one I have, right? Between the two, it's the one I have to wear. But this is still, in my opinion, even as someone that owns the Grandma's Driveway pair, you can make more outfits with this one right here. It just is more wearable. There's more things that go with this sneaker right here. You know what I mean? That's basically what I'm getting at. But aside from that, probably, again, one of my favorite portions, the Bike Air logo there by the back. I love how that white lettering right there is hitting, again, on that kind of dark gray or, kind of black suede we got right there. So that's pretty nicely done. There's the toe box as well. Y'all can get a good look or glimpse at that if my camera will decide to focus today. So yeah, there you go. There's kind of like a decent look at it right there. My camera finally focused. But aside from that, just some black laces with it. There's no extra ones. It has the same wrapping paper as the last pair. The box is the exact same. You know what I mean? There's no, like, real differences, as y'all can see. So just something I thought I would point out. Let me not knock over the Gatorade on my table right there. Aside from that, though, and again, just having the normal box, all that, nothing really out of the ordinary. Here is the other pair as well. So we just kind of want to take a look at, what both of them look like right there. There you go. Again, these would look very clean on feet. So your boy's definitely going to be getting a 9 for that purpose right there. But these do actually run a little bit tight. I will say that. If you wanted to go a half size up, I would not blame you for that. So I might be going with a 9.5 instead, just because, again, they do run, they're a little bit snug. I mean, you can probably tell by, all the padding on the inside of the sneaker here by the heel. Like, it's just very tight by your heel area, you know, as it should be. You want this type of sneaker to stay on your foot, like you don't want it to slip off. But aside from that, right there, the black pair actually has some extra laces. I don't know why. I think I said earlier it didn't, but here are the extra laces. It's just mine are like really stuck in the shoe right here. Just basically a white set. As y'all can see right there, white laces. White laces with these would work. I still need to try the extra laces on my grandma's driveway pair. I actually have never been like huge on using the extra laces, but I should probably, you know, get into doing that a little bit more, you know what I mean? But that's what we got. Let me not break the laces right there. And yeah, just a really clean, slick looking sneaker. This is something that, again, you could wear year round, durable as well, so it's not something that's going to fall apart instantly as you wear it. Like, you could wear this in like some bad weather conditions and they would hold up. They're actually like tough and sturdy. They're built well, like, you know, a normal Jordan 4 is as well. Those are some, you know, Jordan 4s are some shoes you can beat up, wear for a while. You really don't got to worry about them falling apart in your feet until like years down the line. And that's exactly how I feel about this sneaker. So very, very wearable, nice. I mean, this is really nice as well. The soles, everything on this sneaker is complete, in my opinion. Again, the prices are low right now just because there was a lot more stock on these than the grandma's driveway pair. But aside from giving y'all a little in-hand look, we'll get into some B-roll shots in a second, but we'll briefly go over the resale. I know this is something that some people are curious about, not everyone, but I'll answer the question for, again, some of you guys that may be curious. So as you guys can see, here are the current prices on this sneaker between a range of about $180 to $280. So the bigger sizes are going for more, with the smaller sizes going for less. If you were looking to hold this sneaker, really sizes 10.5 plus would be the only ones I would really encourage you to hold. Those will be the ones that will age best. Now, if you got some smaller sizes, some 9s, 9.5s, 8s, that's fine. Those will age well as well. There's just a lot of stock on those pairs. Now, personally, I see this being a $300, $400 sneaker. Eventually, it will be at that point. They were selling there early, no problem. And again, being more wearable, in my opinion, than the grandma's driveway pair, I mean, you just have to give it time. There's a lot of stock that's out there right now, but this still wasn't a sneaker that was super easy to obtain to the average person. So again, I just think it's a lot of bulk sellers that are kind of dropping the price right now. I think patience is the best move on these. Just waiting like a couple months. I think the prices will rebound and kind of return to that $300, $400 range, at least in those big sizes like 14, 13, 12.5, 11. 12, like those are all popular sizes. Those are the ones that will make progress eventually. So would not be shocked to see those at 300, or not 300, but 300, 400 one day. I mean, you can see some are already kind of there, 11.5, 14, 13's kind of creeping back, 12.5's there. So yeah, patience is the best option for this sneaker right here, in my opinion. If you just are looking to hold this one, be patient, wait a year or two, and you'll be really up, in my opinion. I mean, go look at the Breads, go look at the Military Blues. Those are making progress up right now. And, you know, those were super bricks. Earlier this year, people are like, oh, man, if you're holding those, you're crazy. Am I crazy now? You know what I mean? I'm doing really good off both of them. So, yeah, you know what I mean? I guess I'm crazy. I'll keep being crazy again. So, yeah, that's what I can say about this pair right here and the resale price. Is kind of what I think about it. So, not something I'd really be stressed or worried about. Very, very wearable sneaker. Wearable shoes. Do well over time. So I'm going to end that screen recording right there. That's really everything I need to say. Now, we got one more part for this video, the B-roll shots. So I'm going to get outside, give y'all some quick little up-close shots for these, showing y'all what they look like, and then we'll hop into the outro. So why don't we do that? Anyways, guys, if y'all want more content like this, just quickly filming the outro right here. Be sure you guys subscribe and like down below, and let me know your thoughts on the driveway gray pair. Let me know if you think it's more wearable than, you know, the grandma's one. They did literally like a week before these. So two releases very close together. We will be seeing more colorways of both these on the way. So that's just something I would expect. And make sure you guys check us out down below at Resell Vision if you want a chance to win a pair of one of these for free this week. I mean, we're choosing someone. The giveaway is live right now in there. So if you join down below, you'll get access to all the deals we do daily. You can see some of those on the screen. See some of the ones we're running this week on the screen. So yeah, don't miss out. We do a lot for members every single day. And we got more coming tonight. night. And again, your chance to win a free pair, whatever size, just let us know once you're in there. So yeah, make sure you guys become a member. Don't miss out. Eat with us. And check me out on my Instagram today. I got a lot of content coming this week. So many pairs landed today. I got a lot to sort through. But busy days are good days, and that's how we're staying. So yeah, I got a lot of work to do. We're going to get it done. I'm going to edit this video. I'm going to post some stuff on Insta. Make sure you guys check me out there if you want. And yeah, that's what I need to mention. Let me know if you got lucky. Again, copped a pair, because these dropped at Foot Lockers. The grandma's one didn't. Hence why these are going for less. They dropped at Foot Lockers. Backdoor Central. No, like, of course the prices are less. What do you thought? Like, yeah. So that's it. Don't worry. Just be patient. That's key. Main thing to remember with resale in this video. So I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. That'll be tomorrow. See you guys then. Don't miss out. Peace.